Hi folks, I'm going to show you how to bring Game Creator into a Unity project. Let's get started. If you've not yet purchased Game Creator, you should do so here. I've heard that Unity doesn't have the Asset Store tab anymore in more recent versions, but you can easily use a browser and while logged into the Asset Store, purchase it and import it into Unity. Once you've purchased the software, open up a Unity 3D project. I'm just using the built-in render pipeline, just the simple 3D project for this tutorial. Unity 2019.4, which was, as of this recording, the latest stable release. CatSoft is really great about keeping the software up to date with the latest stable release, so I highly recommend using the most recent one. You can use URP or HDRP, but I'm not. I would recommend just keeping it simple until you get Game Creator working for you, one thing at a time. Once the Unity project is open, go to the top and click on Window, and then Package Manager. Again, that was Window, and then Package Manager here. Okay. Once you have this opened up, it will likely be set to Unity Registry. In case that happens, just pull down to My Assets from the top of the window there, and Game Creator should be in your Assets folder. If it's not, that means you need to go back and import it into your project. Okay, I already have it downloaded, so I don't need to do that, but you will likely need to click the download button. Once it's downloaded, then you click on Import. It will begin to import the package into this project. So it has to be imported into each project. What I like to do is I always click all just to make sure all the boxes are checked here. And then I click on import. And it takes a couple of minutes for it to import. It's not huge, but it's also not tiny. So it does take a little bit of time to write the package. All right, so now we have our Game Creator install window. Click on that, of course, to install it, and it will begin to install the software. I may end up cutting this just so that it doesn't take you too long. Oh, okay, it is finished installing. So just click OK. And now we're going to have it imported into this project. You have to do this for each project, but not for each scene. So you'll be able to have Game Creator in the larger project, and it will be effective for the entire scene. Okay. This may take a second too. No, not too bad, not too bad. So now you can close this window, the Package Manager window. And in order to check to see if it is in your project, which I know it is, you can right click on the hierarchy. This is the hierarchy. So right click on that and you'll see Game Creator is right here with all of the different components of the program. Not all of the different modules, but all of the components of the base part of the program. All right. So if this did not work for you, try working through the steps one more time. Make sure you are importing and installing everything. This completes the tutorial. Please give it a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you would like more of these simple, short tutorials. If you need help, see the links in the description for the Game Creator Discord, the official website, the Game Creator YouTube channel, and links to RVR's YouTube channel, which is excellent, but more advanced than this one. Feel free to ask questions in the comments. I'll try to answer as many questions as I can. Bye, folks.